Hello, I'm in a 2015 Ford Fusion, and today I'm going to show you a jump start. So first you open the hood, and then towards the driver's side you should see your battery here with your positive terminal and your negative terminal. Next I would double check these terminals for any corrosion that needs cleaned up, which you could clean with a good brush or rag. So clean these up nice, clean that up as best as you can. Next I'd make sure these are nice and tight, so if they're loose you can tighten them up on both. Now once you're this far you can take your jumper cables or jumper box and then have your metal clamps, your positive connected to as much of this positive as you can, and then your negative clamp. If you can reach it, you connect to this terminal. Might need to remove this bezel if you have to. But otherwise for the negative, you can usually connect to somewhere on the frame. So I might try somewhere like this you could connect to. Sometimes they'll run and feed for your negative loop off somewhere else. So if you follow these negative lines, sometimes that'll lead you somewhere else that you can connect to nice. But on this vehicle, I'd probably try it here. If that's not working, maybe try up here somewhere. But that's it with your positive and your negative. If you're running to another vehicle, make sure that the vehicle's turned on with the engine on. And you've got your positive running directly to the positive on the other vehicle, and your negative directly to the negative on the other vehicle. You want to make sure you don't cross those by mistake, like a positive to the negative on the other vehicle, just because that could cause issues, like shorting out your computer, circuits, fuses, things like that. But once you've done all that for a few minutes with a good metal connection, hopefully that's enough juice to get you started. If not, then you might need to replace this battery, which to do that, you just loosen these terminals to lift them off. Loosen this, so this little support's gone, so this battery's free to pull out, and then just set your new battery right in that same place. Reattach everything nice and tight, and you should be good to go. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.